Guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. This is a Lenovo laptop. This model here 110-14ISK model. Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you. You can see it's giving the checking media. So how can you fix this? Press F1 to F2 and you can see here the power settings and go configuration and go security. You can see here secondary boot is enabled, just make it disable. And go to boot and you can see here Uefi boot is enabled. You have to make it legacy support and boot primary. First boot is legacy first, you have to make it like this and go exit, save change and exit. Yes. And guys, now you can see your Windows is open. This problem have to install here Windows legacy boot, but the BIOS was default. First boot Uefi and legacy was disabled. That's why is Windows not working. It's checking media. So if you have problem like this in your laptop, just change the BIOS and boot mode Uefi boot to legacy boot support and then press exit enter and you can see your Windows is working. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video notification. Thank you.